Introduction to Notion Task Management.
Notion is a powerful tool for organizing tasks, ideas, and projects. One of its best features is the ability to create customizable databases. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a simple to-do list database in Notion, so you can manage your daily tasks more efficiently and keep everything organized in one place.
Creating a new database.
To get started, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your to-do list. Click the plus button and select either Table or Database. Choose Table Inline for a simple embedded database. This creates a new table directly on your page, which you can use as your to-do list foundation.
Customizing your to-do list table.
By default, your new table will have columns like name and tags. Rename name to something like task and add or modify columns to suit your needs. For example, add a status column using select for tracking progress and a due date column to set deadlines. This customization helps personalize your workflow.
Adding and managing tasks.
Now start adding your tasks by filling out each row in the table. Enter the task description, choose a status such as to do or done, and set a due date if needed. As you work, update the status to keep track of completed and pending tasks. This system makes managing your workload straightforward and visual.
Organizing and filtering tasks.
To focus on specific tasks, use Notion's filter and sort options. You can sort tasks by due date or filter to show only incomplete items. This ensures high-priority tasks are always visible, helping you stay organized and productive. You can further refine your to-do list by adding more columns or using different views, such as Kanban boards.
Conclusion and tips.
Building a custom to-do list database in Notion is simple and highly effective. Start with the basics, then tweak your setup to match your habits and goals. Explore features like reminders, templates, and sharing options to make your system even more powerful. With Notion, you have all the tools needed to organize tasks your way.